Hello everyone! For today's video, explain ko yung naging experience ko earlier sa biometrics. So my appointment is around 1 p.m. Before my biometric, I receive a letters from USCIS. Isa na nga dito is my schedule for biometrics. Wala pang 1 month naka-receive na ako nito. It's a notice that you are scheduled, then makikita sa notice letter your application support center. What place kung saan ka designated na pupunta for biometrics. So every state, iba-iba yan. Then, makikita mo rin yun dito yung date and time of your appointment. Tapos, may steps rin na naka-indicate how to reschedule your appointment in case may emergency ka. Lagi nyo rin i-check yung mailbox nyo, baka meron ka na rin. So, in my part, I brought my passport, original copy of marriage certificate, birth certificate, and of course, your ASC appointment notice. 2 copies yon. Sa second page, may fill out kayo doon as in personal details mo lang, like if you change your name or last name after marriage. That's why I bring my birth certificate just in case, pero okay na yung passport for the reference. I took 15 minutes inside the center, so pagpasok ko, at first they checking my papers, then pag okay na, bibigyan ka ng number slip. As in mabilis lang kasi parang 3 lang kami sa loob, then tinawag na yung number ko, then chinek ulit yung papers ko. After that, pinicturan ako, biometrics, last yung signature ko, yun lang, and I'm done. As in, mabilis lang talaga, naka-receive agad ako ng email from USCIS that my application is being reviewed na. So hopefully, next coming months, I will receive my AAD/AP, and of course my GC. I will update more once may bagong updates. Thank you for watching, and for any questions, leave a comment lang. Bye!